may think that because you're doing a new campaign for the first time that you have to discover what works. But in fact, we've found that it's well documented what works, and there's up-to-date information in all the key areas like open rates, subject lines and deliverability. All of the big email marketing experts we've dealt with are constantly producing new reports and blogging the latest tips. So you'd be foolish not to check these resources out before you start sending out emails, because they're free and they'll make you a lot of money.